You are watching Shayna-Renee.
Let's see. Oh! I think the rest might look good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Let me check out this side. Here I am trying out another perm rod set before I retire it because I don't know why I can't get it together. These are the products that I use. I put the almond oil on first, then the leave-in conditioner, and then I do the wrapping lotion, and then I curl my hair up. So this is how I did it. It's how the girlies do it. Usually when I do it wrong, and it comes out decent, but I was very hopeful this time because I'm like, all right, bet. I'm going to do it just like the girlies. I'm not going to do my own thing. And I was doing pretty good. I wrapped it good. I felt like it was going to come out great. I didn't account for me having shorter hair than I usually have. And then I didn't account for me having the smaller curling rods. And I think that's what made my hair look how it looked, to be quite honest. And I will say it did come out better than normal because I was able to let it dry, because I let it dry overnight. And then I sat under the dryer for like maybe 15-20 minutes after the fact. And now I'm going to take out my hair and then you're going to see how it all ended up at the end of the day. And 3, 2, 1. I'm going to check out my perm rod set that I did yesterday. And I hope that it comes out pretty good. Let's see what happens. Let's hope that it's fully dry and it's gonna look great. I forgot, when I was doing it yesterday, I started to do it with these papers, and then I just decided not to because I was over it. It was just gonna take too long. So yeah, let's see. Oh, that first one is looking a little crusty dusty. I don't know, but I think the rest might look good. So we shall see. And that's at the bottom, so hopefully that one could be hidden. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Let me check out this side. Okay, it's the ends, y'all. The ends is not looking as good as I wanted it to. This one feels nice. It's good. Oh yeah, that end looked good. I really thought I wrapped it. Maybe I didn't pay as much attention to the ones in the back. I hope that's it. Okay. This end. I think the biggest thing that I have to worry about so far is making sure that I wrap the ends nicely, making sure there's enough product on the ends so that way it won't come out looking as you see. And I want it to be more coily and round. So I feel like I wasn't paying much attention at the back of my hair, as well as I was doing the whole paper thing, and that did not work out for me. So that I will never do again. The looks of it, it really looks like it's coming out pretty decent. I know it's gonna be really short to my face, so I'm gonna figure it out, but I'm going to do this the rest off camera and I'm gonna come back. I guess I lied. My hair lied, everybody lied. Anyway, I tried to put the rods on the ends just to see if it could curl up a little bit. Don't do that. It didn't work out. Like, no, just don't. Bad mistake. I do feel like I tried to separate enough and twist it enough so that way I can have a lot of curls. I figured if I have a lot of curls in my head, it'll make it bigger now and then also over time. And honestly, I don't know if that was going to be the case because you'll see in a second of what it's going to look like. No. I don't know if it's because I didn't fluff it out right or because my hair is a little shorter right now. I cut it, so I don't know what this is. It's giving Annie. It's giving Ice Spice. It's giving, how old are you? I feel like a little Bo Peep or something. Like, we got this over here messed up. We got these really short and help me. I need help. All right. I think I'm going to try to pull it apart maybe even more and then try to make it, I don't know, bigger. Because this is not it. Ugh. And I have to go out tomorrow. This will be in a ponytail or something before I go out looking like this. I mean, I do have to go to work soon, so they might see me like this. But when I got to put on a fit and go out, absolutely not. Absolutely not. So I have to make this work. Well, here we are. I don't know if it's because it's shorter or I use the smaller rods, but I even separated. I got to separate more and I got to make it bigger, but it never looks like this. This is real too short. It look crazy. All right, sister. Bye. If anybody has any tips or pointers that I could use for the future, let me know. Maybe I need to do bigger rods or whatever. Ugh. I'll probably put a video up of how I did it before when it was like somewhat decent. Anyway, I haven't finished this off camera or I just gotta go. So, y'all help, because what is this? Okay, bye. Hear me out. What if I take this and do like a cute little mohawk like this? That might look cute. I gotta see. I gotta figure out what outfit I will wear. But that's for tomorrow. I mean, I could still do this today. And then just figure out how to figure it out later. I think that's gonna be it. Alright, I gotta go. As you can see, I'm using these wig clips for my hair. I could not find any bobby pins, so I had to use what I had to get the job done. And I'm trying to make it work. I feel like a mohawk would make it look more like a vibe and cuter. And I just needed to just add some love to it. So now this is a conversation I'm having with one of my friends about the stress that I went through. But so this is what it looks like.
I don't know how you did that, and I don't know how you expect it to be slick unless you got some type of clip or something. Ain't no bobby pins making it slick.
Just using my the clips for what's it called?
What is that gonna do?
Just keep it up so it'll give the mohawk effect, and then I'll tease it a little bit.
I don't know,
because I don't want it to be slick. I don't want it to be slick because I'm like, maybe when I dance or like it get hot, then maybe like the curls will loosen up and get bigger. So then maybe I could just pull it down and have it frame the face. We'll see. But for now, I don't know.
I don't think those clips are gonna. It's not okay.
It's go something.
It's not doing nothing, but I don't know what it's doing.
I don't know. I wish you would have picked up the first time when I had a regular.
You ain't show me the picture. Now I'm not sure because
it almost feel like I have like one of the hairstyles when this is all cut and then just have the hair on top.
I don't know what you doing is not it though.
Like holding it, letting it go. They go like, Miss Shayna, what's that on your head? And then I gotta explain. Aggravating. What time is it? Because I gotta go. I'm over here crying. Oh yeah, I do have to hurry up.
I need you to find a banana clip, something clip, something. Even if you do like little ponytails, like 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
You don't see the ponytails.
No, I know what you're talking about.
Figure that out or something because.
Because I'm like, who the heck? But I do that with my other mohawks, so I get it. But at first,
do like 4 ponytails on each side.
Not each side, down the middle, child.
Not unless it's snatch. Oh, you're not trying to snatch?
No, because I want to be able to try to take it out later and see if it could just like fall down.
I don't know if it's gonna fall, but I don't have false hopes. Why don't you try to like flat iron it yourself?
Now?
No, in general.
Oh, because it come out crazy every time. I mean, it literally looks like a blowout when I do it myself. But I'm going to learn. I want to get a.
Blowouts is cute though.
No. Now,
what?
I'm gonna send you a picture.
Right, because remember you flat ironed my hair, and I was like,
yeah,
hit over the reins.
I'm not good at it, and we have 2 different textured hairs. On top of that, 2. I was just looking at a video yesterday.
I think my hair gets straight pretty easy, so I'm not sure why that wasn't your result.
I don't know. I need to get the titanium, whatever, the baby bliss. That's what I want to get.
Big brush?
No, the baby bliss. The type of flat iron.
Oh.
Baby bliss.
Oh man, this is crazy.
If you talk about me, yes. If not, still it is me. Oh, I'm not coming tomorrow. I could come. You just gonna be embarrassed. Bo Peep, like.
You actually look like Woody Woodpecker.
Or that. Okay? I look too young.
Let me show you.
No, I know exactly who that looks like.
Oh my goodness. I mean, your face card eats though. You know, you got that for days.
No, it don't eat.
No, I hate this.
Now I feel like I look like, oh, I'm a wrestler. I just have to go in the street and be confident. Like, now I feel like I need to put on a fit.
See, when you added the confidence to it, I believed it for 2 weeks. Like, oh, okay.
Just be like, yeah, because you know.
Yeah, okay, I see that. It's the confidence.
Now I feel like I gotta change my whole outfit. Now I gotta be like, now I'm gonna just put on a cute jacket.
The way you just bounce to the right and then the girl started bouncing, it reminded me of a kid. You know, that's the hairstyle your mother put in your head for picture day and you was tight every time.
I had cute curls for picture day.
That's the picture day hair.
I had to run to work, so I didn't record anything else after this, but this is how my hair looked later on that day, just so you can get more of an up close of how it looked. I think it looks perfect in the mohawk. Out, it does not look great, but it is okay. Trial and error. I'm going to try it again with bigger rods and see what happens. Thank you guys for watching this chaotic, random video, and I hope you guys subscribe and you guys watch my other things, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Later.